Today, I'm going to be fixing the door handle for my 300Z. So I'm at the point I'm just kind of wanting to sell my 300Z, and I just want to fix some of the things that make it a pain to drive right now, like the fact that there's no door handle. I think this will be an easy fix. Inside here, there's these plastic pieces, and there's a spring that attaches to this. It will go in there. And then there's kind of a wire that will hook through here, and that goes to the door mechanism. And as you pull this, it moves it back and forth, allowing the door to open. Basically what happened is one of these broke. I ordered a couple more. I ordered these off eBay. I took a quick peek at these, and I think there's somebody that just 3D prints them. So the bottom piece is the new piece. This is the old one, or the original. You can definitely tell that this was just 3D printed. I mean, it looks okay. As long as it will hold up, I don't care where it came from, but that will be the real test, is will this hold up long term. I got this piece and the spring in there, and you know, you can see that it flips like that. And like I say, I don't think I need the spring in the lock side because you don't want it to automatically just pull back. And I think we got it. So you can see that one moves with the door, and that's the lock. So the handle is all put together, ready to go. Basically what I'm going to do is this will go on here, and then the handle will go right here. It connects in there. Before I get that cover on, you can see these two wires here. These are the two that handle is going to hook to. Basically, you got these here, and they will go in those little holes that I mentioned. And then as you move these, it pulls these back and forth. So I've just basically set this on the window. I'm not hooking the whole thing back up right now because I actually have plans to come in and put some speakers in this at some point. You know, I'm going to be taking it all off again probably in the next month or so. Basically, the next step is to get this connected to the wires, and then there's a screw that goes right through here and holds onto the door. Once we get that in place, we can put this bezel on, and then there's one more screw that holds the bezel to the actual handle. So now that I have it on, I realize, you know, it's probably easier to just put this on and then the door panel. You know, this isn't going to be in the way of putting this door panel on. You know, I could just take the whole thing off. So, you know, make it easier on yourself. Just take this off and then put it on. Now, this bezel, it basically just slides in there like this. So I think I've actually lost the screw that goes here, but I'll find some kind of screw, put it in there. So I recently did a video changing the window regulator in here. I'll put a link to that if you'd like to see it. I plan on doing the speakers and a new stereo. So if you want to see that, feel free to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching.